In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and edit a shared document on Google Drive. We all know collaboration is key, and Google Drive makes it super easy to work together seamlessly. Whether it's Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, understanding how to properly access these shared files and the process for editing them is crucial. So let's get started. First, let's begin by heading over to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account to access all of your files and shared documents. Once you're logged in, you'll see a side menu on the left. Here, you'll notice various sections of your drive, and for today's purpose, we're going to focus on the Shared With Me section. This area is particularly important because it contains all the documents that have been shared with you by others. After navigating to the Shared With Me section, take a look through the list to find the specific document you're aiming to work on. It could be a Google Doc, a sheet, or perhaps a slide presentation. Once you've located it, go ahead and double-click to open the document. This is where we need to take note of the permissions granted to you by the document owner. When the document opens, you'll need to glance over to the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll notice a status, which informs you about the level of access you have. If it says editing, you're in great shape. This means you can freely edit the document as needed. However, if you notice the status says viewing or commenting, you'll have some limitations. In these cases, you won't be able to make changes directly to the document, but don't worry, there's a way to request permission. Should you find yourself restricted to viewing or commenting, you can take a simple step to request editing access. Look again at the top right corner and you'll see the option to request edit access. Clicking this button will send a request to the document owner, asking for their approval to grant you editing rights. Keep in mind that you'll need to wait for them to give the go-ahead. Now, if you do have editing permissions, it's smooth sailing from here. Simply click anywhere within the document to start typing. One of the great features of Google Documents is automatic saving, so every edit you make is instantly saved without you needing to lift a finger. Finally, when you've completed your work, you can simply close the tab. Rest assured, all your changes have been safely saved automatically as you worked. Google's seamless saving capabilities mean you don't have to worry about losing any of your progress. There you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing and editing shared documents on Google Drive. Happy collaborating!